Nano Banana was paid, but now it's free in SUAPP AI. Hi there, this is Nice where I share practical tutorials every week. Today we are looking at a new feature in SUAPP AI. You can now use Nano Banana for free. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. So first of all, let me tell you how and from where we can get the SUAPP AI. On Google, search nicestars.com. Here is Nicestars website. Come down and here you can find SUAPP AI right here. Click on it. So here is SUAPP AI website. Come down and click on download. Then you can download all of the options of SUAPP AI for different software. For example, I need SUAPP Air, and for SketchUp, just click on SUAPP Air for SketchUp. Click on it. As you can see, now it's downloading. Because I did it before, let me cancel it right now. So today we'll work with the SUAPP AI plugin and Air option, and we will take render from some interior and exterior scenes. So first of all, we'll take render from this exterior render. As you see, this is a modern villa. So let's get it started. Click on Air option of SUAPP AI. After that, you will see this window. From here, you can take a screenshot of your model. Click here. So now we have a screenshot of our model right here. On the top here, we can increase creativity or accuracy. And here we have three type of styles: classic, lengthy style, and lengthy style 2. This is a new feature in SUAPP AI, and here we have Nano Banana, and we can take render much better and realistic. So for this villa, we should choose a exterior design. For example, this one. As you see here, we have different style. Let's try one of them. This one. Now here, write a prompt right here. It's so important. Let's write something. For example, modern villa in forest with tall trees, some people around the villa, cloudy sky, around the car light, and you can write more about your project, what you want to have in your project. Then click on confirm and come here on create button right here. Make sure to choose based, then just click on create. Maybe it takes a few moments, we should wait for it. So as you see, that's ready. Look, that's so great. In one click, you will have this fantastic render. Look at the detail. People in the pool and some people around the villa and the car lights and reflection of the lights in the ground and something more. That's so realistic. And from here in this window, we can also do something here. In this window, there is different option. We can try them. For example, we can remove something in our project. For example, I don't want to have these people on the pool. and also these people here. Then click on create. So as you see, it's ready. Now it's removed the person and the pool and also this person right here, and that's so fantastic. So now let's use image enhancer, upscale our render. On the top we have different options. I don't want to change them, just I'm going to click on create. Now as you see, some detail are much better after upscale. Now come here and click on save. So it's ready. Now let's check the final result. That's so great. So now let's try an interior design. So as you see here, we have a modern living room. Let's take a render from this one. First, take a screenshot of that. Then from here, use automatically prompt. So as you see, that's ready. Now click on confirm, and here choose a style. For example, this one, and click on create. So as you can see, that's ready, and it's so great. Look at the detail. So sometimes we just have an empty room, and this AI can automatically arrange it based on the instruction we give. Let's click here to take a screenshot of that. Then from prompt box, here we have a icon. Click on it. Then come here. Let me delete this prompt. As you see, there is some option and use Nano Banana and come down. From here, interior design, we have some option 2, renovation 1 and renovation 2. You can use both of them. For example, let's try renovation 2. Choose that and click on confirm. Then come here and click on create. So that's ready. As you can see, it's done. Now let's write something in prompt, positive prompt. A modern TV wall, L shape, sofa, night style, beautiful lighting. Now let's try again. Now that's much better. Look at the detail. L-shape sofa, modern TV wall, and beautiful lighting. That's so great. I recommend you use it right now. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful for you. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials.